Berian English Medium Higher Secondary School Mandai Salthang Tirpra Haikeba West Tirpra Nakitok Clay Ashuk Jora Kadakba Romui School Choliwi Tongmani Tini by 20 years Punkha Tai Tini ni Shal Unka Foundation Haikeba Shongsamani Shal Tai Je boot ni exam Renai Rokno Borongno Farewell Claimani O Pandao Narwai Okra Ngi Manjak Pikap TTDC Hapangni EM Education Borom Ganang Robindro Deborma Taitongo Honorable Guest Dr. Narottam Deborma Working President TPS F The Guest of Honor Angka Sri Mesir Jomatia IS Mandai O Pandao Rengsrungnai Rokni Mapha Tei Rengsrungnai Rok Miliwino Foundation de Palaizaka Mutu Claimani Shal Tai Tinin Shal Belakan Kotor Om Haikino Jora Kadugma Romui Rengsrungai Tongmani Tini Board ni exam ni Anjokmung Tai Foundation de Haikaba Farewell Claimani Bagino Jotono Palbaksha Clay Palaizaka Nakuto Clay O Berian English Medium ni Foundation de Tai Amun Bishingo Borom Yafalaimani Bishingti Risha Yafalaimani Bishingti Chati Katar Muchungai O Pandano Shongsazaka Tai school ni principal, vice principal, tai teacher ro omono koknarkha buskango tebo khlai kaham khlai yapri shewi thanglainai Berian English Medium Higher Secondary School ni phaching thai tai oro je rengsrungnai rokni thina haikeba chati hai pohor ngai basana ni bagai amu hai rokni kokbo narak lakhya haike paithak jora Dongo TV baksa kerengi tongdi nai tongdi cuekri Dongo TV kok kaham kesarmung school ni principal vice principal te teachers naikul tongnai rokni phachingti borok kok narak mani shokat yaphamani yaglo nai tongdi paithokjara cuekri Dongo TV
ini je program le 20 years de foundation de o program ma phaiman ja phainai ini o pandani okra chief guest borong ganang Sri Robindra Deborma PTADC tai ini honorable guest Dr. Narottam Deborma working president Tripura Private School Pra tai honorable chief Guest of Honor Sir Mesir Jomatia IS Mandai Brahman Belake Khataham Te Hamjakma Jeng School Crop Ning Jeng Brahman Yaparo Rokini China Pandano Hai Matang Haman Radai Yaba Hamai Maro Chene Berian English Medium School ni the President Secretary Tai Members Brokana or Jarana Shekaham Roman Belgrano Dalaka Hambai Yaba Hamai Maro Dinio Chinoro media person ro Phaijak tai joto guardian ro chino je program o sapaiman bagai Brahma school ni ngui khaka ham ya pharo tai chini students the teachers tai joto college ro no Brahma jeng chini hamja ko Brahma ya pharo jengoro no ka chini school 2004 10 January o full establishing o chino school offer some berana hongtam by jeng samani in the 20 years me rock jeng tabuno kha jene building rock jeng mankha kai jene hamari jeng bangma mankha amo jene tesimma korno saka amo hakeno jeng puskang salo tebo jeng develop hanini babe mon tebo kusu khai taman babe jeng chai toknai te abon log logi jene je quality education jeng bahai ke borokno aham Shikar Riman, aman bagai, jeng tabok tadi temo tabok ni juga jeng kata saya mana, tabok ni teknologi juga, or teknologi or tinggi tengah tangkai belai ke kotin, or kotin jarawa jeng tinggi tengah nangai, Sini jatuh गार्जेन सक जो स्टूडेंट दङ ट्राइरं तै दङ जोंबो साइमानो नांगौ जों दाबो जे दंमोन अ जोबाय जों तेरे स्लाइजाबि दङ आगे जों जैसे चलिखा चलिमा बाय दाबो मुनिया दाबो जोंगा दाबो मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी बाय चलियो खबर से सब थांगी मान निने सोरमा हंदे आबन बागै चेन लेबार जे जों रमाने जे जों सामुं खायमाने चिना सामुनो जों मा बारि रिनाय चिनि ट्राइरं फोरोंमाने तेबो मा बारि रिनाय ट्राइरं पने रंबो जों तेबो मा बारि नाय दाबो बागै हिंखाय दाबो बुइ बाक्सा जों कम्पिटिशन थांनाय हिंखाय ते केसे जों नुजाबो जों गोबां जों एसटी हिसाबै जों दाबो दङ एसटी हिसाबै फेसिलिटी मानो अ जराबो साजा कमाय थांनाय अफोर जों तामाने जों जत इंडिया नों थानाय अब उनथांफ्रो जों जतफोरबो जों कम्पिटिशन खायनांनाय आबन बागैना जों दाबो जिनि खावो जों रेडी मा दंनाय जे जोंबो बाक्सा बरफ अ हायुंनि बरफ बाक्सा जोंबो कम्पिटिशन जों माबा जानाय आबो जों सिदा सिया आमन केवल नायगला आबन बागैना जों दाबो उनसिम रेडी दि बय हायुंनि गोरों बर' हिमा हायना जों मा हिमनाय हायखौ जों अफलाव लायकरनाय जों दाबो गोबां जों कंपनी दं नखा जेबरा कंपनी ठीक खालामनायाबो आवरिं थांगा मार्केट में ठीक जों मा हायकेन जिनि जुदि जों जे पैसा जों दा हिमि दङ आमा हाय हिमि दङ हाय जों हायुं बरबाय जों टिगिगला ओमफ्राय जों नांगौ दामा जिन बर' अफिसार बर' नांगौ जिन आईएएस अफिसार नांगौ जों दाबो जराव जिन आईएएस अफिसार ख्रै जिन गाहाम लिडार ख्रै जिन गोबां जिन परिजाक अफिसार नांगौ आमटे अफिसार जों दाबो मायाखै आबन बागै जों आं दिनै गनामो जगामो जिनि फाउंडेशन देवताय प्लास जिनि जे फेरवेल जिनि दाबो जे कैंडिडेट स्टूडेंट दं ब्रकमेन फाइजों आं सानमो दङ जों मा सोलोंनाय जों ब्लाइके खा क्राक फायै जों फोरसों साला जों माना सिंनाय कम्पिटिशन खायनाय बागै जों रेडी मा दङ जेकुनु पैसा फाइटन जों आमानो कम्पिटिशन खायनाय बागै जों रेडी दङ मायाखै जों बुइबाय जों ताइ बाथाय मांगला जों पासंद्रा फाइंद्रा फनि थाखाय जों ताइंगला जिनि सामुननाय जों बुइ गोनगाव बाखा जों थानांनाय जों रोङिहानि जों सुलु जों ताइ जुगलिया आमन बागै जों अरा नुजागो 2004 जों जखन जेंफ्रो आफरो बेरनक अफर केव मते इंगन होनो केव बुइ बुया अमबा कमाय थांनाय आइ थांनाय बर बायगा नारमाना हिनसाव किन्तु खा कराखै सामु जबा खायमान बिसिंतै दिनैयो अमो स्टेट बोर्ड या सेंट्रल बोर्ड हायकाबा जों जिनि अडर जों बिल्डिं र बिसेमान का आमो दाबा कायतने हामार जे जिनि कठोर जों सामु खायमान बिसिंतै आ सामुनि रिजाल्ट जों दिनाव हायमान आमन बागै बरक मानिया आमो हाय सामु कोनफांतै बरक नायखाय जतन सम्भव हो ओमफ्राय जों सात जों उइक खायो जों मांला अंला हाय गोबां जागा जों सातमा दुर्बल खायो ओमफ्राय आमनो जिनि बागै जाया जों आबन बागै जिनि खाना जों क्राखाय बाहायके बिसंना आगुनाय अमसे जों मावन संनाय आमो हायके वन सुकमा हाय जिनि थिना जों गने कुसो गानाय जिनि स्कुल जों थिना अमसुक जरा दंमोन आमो दैया जों अरो आर्ट्स दाबा ख्रबजा जों बिसं सारा साइन्स जिनि आंगो कमार्स ने जों आमो खुलुमनाय ताइ तेबो अतर सामु खायनि बागै जों वन सुक दङ एमन खायबो माने जिनि जुदि साको सारि संगीत सामु खायखाय जों गतर सामु खायमाने खायमाया आमो खाया आमो जे जिनि थानिसे आमन बागै जों खाथियाव जों अ सामु खायनि बागै जों ताइटगन दङ जिनि बसगां जों तेबो गाहाम क्वालिटी एडुकेशन न जों बाहायके रिमान हायवा जेबागै बुइफोरनि दङ आमाखौ जों फोरमान बागै जों मा ताइटगनाय मा नायथगनाय आमो हायके आबन बागै जिनि जों हेल्प नांगौ जों जत गार्जेन सक जत सिनाय डक्टर जों हेल्प थाखाय जों सामुनो जों खालामनो अमका टीम वर्क में सामु स्कुल कायसा कासा थांगाखाय अम जतनि फान जतनि चुबासो नांगौ जिनि गभर्नमेंट साइड हिंदे प्राइवेट साइड हिंदे जिनि गोबां एनजिओ सबनि हेल्प खालामनाय बिसिंथि जे जों अन तिसायमान ओंखाय नों आं जत जों थानसाखै जों जुदि खायनो हाखाय अ सामुनो जों उक्लग क्लाय दंनाय गाबोन बागै आं खाख्लायो जत गार्जेन सब जानि बसारक न जानि जा स्टुडेन्ट दंनाय र बरबो साथारै आंबो खरसा अटर सिमुं कायसे अफिसार नाय कायसे नाहार मुंथै जों सामु माखाने जों गोबां जिनि फोरखौ लाइ थांनाय सिनाय दंनाय रोंखानिबो जों नुगो ब्रक साथारै निनि आब्राहाम लिंकन फानन्दै निनि एगो गोबां मा बरक दङ ब्रक जतन सात न कष्ट खायनो सक्सेस खाय दङ Lord William Carey bo Sriampur College ko school jabon khai tang pro bo baran kering juta hui pun to bahasa lawi thang tan bagi khai ngai bini jil tomon bagi bini han bini mujong ma tomon bagi bini bom success ngai bini omo haike no jini student no bini kaham mujong to hakai jeng kaham result khanyai result khai kaham ko dam huna officer nai ba kaham borok ni thanai kasi company malik ni manai IS officer ni manai kabang ma thajima thangni manai jeng jodi sakthai angkai amo imang muk thangni mangla abon bago joto borok na kasi imang tong nango o imang jodi sam khage ko jeng muk thangni mano imang kre borok ni kono sampal muk thangni meya ile jeng tabo joto guardian sa kon hande ini student na kon hande jini imang tong nanai jini future sang kamunai jeng o haingo bata tong thakai jini khage tamo tong kai amno se akok no seng paskango hawa sugoi jeng somai ma tangnai tawo bisi pulya pachingo ini 10 tarik sibo o bisi wa mana jeng samungno khanen thang nangai je ang o jagar bisi tuya ang bida nangai ang himna nangai ang thana nangai ang challenge sanya nango haingo borobang challenge ma khanai tan bisi tu kai sima lupani bisi tu education na battle tai kono jaga phang thang meja education ga jat powerful among ka phang gana bin bisi tu ya jat to samne thang mana amon bagai jeng joto tabu candidate songa na one subject hamkai jada ham khanen bagai nong ei biskango songa 10 tarik February biskango ngai nong exam o exam jaske pan jada ham khanen bagai nong ei thinang lo pak hamunai tin school bo mongnai abo mongnang na bagai ro ham khaidi tai jeng garje sopo joto maksa por help lai pornane bagai tai jeng teacher sok joto maksa por help lai pornane bagai ang dono koyo kaham ka chini o school no tebo kaham ran khanen bagai o santar koton bisingo o hai bejan chikon school omo bo sem borok bo baksa kusuk school je tuja roma abo kala bo mongana school bo baksa jeng competition ba teman ne bagai jeng sakma thalanai ma him lainai joto teacher sobo student robo joto guardian rob ni help joto chini sinai nungai nungai help lai jeng school no bising tangna bagai jeng sai to na amo hake tong hakai jini school jeng koso kai manai anga seltai kabang kok thagla jini bisong kabang jeng program tong jing sapsong tong bong bisin te jeng kabang ko malayana ko kaham kai seksana ang jatane phajingani hamjakma kai krumung ya pharai ana kokno orno matata jotona hambai
tai joto students rokno kok thaisa bai jotona hambai phadi jeng jini program jangma jing thangai nai Sungai Jagawa logo sini Verin Schools Medium Higher Secondary Schools Mandui West Tripura affiliated to CBSE proud to celebrate 20 glorious years Foundation Day come farewell. Salam bagi sini Madam Modula Principal.
A very warm good morning to our Chief Guest Sir, Sri Ravindra Debarma, Executive Member of TTIDC, our Honorable Guest, Dr. Narottam Debarma, Working President of TPSF, our Guest of Honor, Sri Mecha Debarma, Mandai IS, and my dear students, my colleagues, and my dear loving guardians. On this 20th Foundation Day, I heartily welcome you all and be with us throughout our celebration. This is a very proud moment for all the concerned personnel that we have established such a wonderful organization to bring our next generation to a level of excellence of development. And I'm very glad to be part of this organization of such competencies. Today, on this very special occasion of 20th Foundation Day of the school, as well as the organization, I am very overwhelmed to have this opportunity to express my gratitude to all, as well as the school managing committee for providing us such a platform of children and the society. There are so many things to reflect on the developments the school and the SMC has brought. I am going to focus for a few important aspects, and I had prepared a report on the present academic year of this year 2023 to 24. The school is established in the year 2004 by the society called Barium Welfare Society, and all the aspects of the school are looked after the Barium Welfare Society. A committee is formed by the society to monitor the development of the school as well as the children. Currently, we are having 400 and above students enrolled in the schools and 32 faculty members with professional degrees and hardworking. The most important development for this year was the upgradation of the school into higher secondary school. Currently, we are offering only art stream, and we are looking forward to introduce science and commerce stream in the forthcoming years. The library has been upgraded and many important collections of books are available now. The science lab has also been upgraded with new equipment and instruments. Health camps was also organized in the school for the development of the students. Educational tour for class 9, 10 and 11 was organized at Science City, Agartala for promoting science knowledge, which in turn will create positive attitude among the students towards science. Teacher-guardian meeting was held for the assessment and development of the students. Guardian meeting was held for the development of the students as well as the school. The school admission for currently academic year, that is 2024 to 25, is going on, and free admission for nursery is provided this year, and all the children are welcome to be part of our Barium family. At last but not the least, we are trying to make the school environment child-friendly so that they can explore themselves and become more creative, confident, strong, and more knowledgeable. And we will be focusing on different areas of development of the children in the forthcoming years. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Where all we students of class 10 need to leave our childhood behind, step into the world to create our own path in life. Each of us has a dream, and I thank my school for making us capable enough to achieve our goals and dreams. On the farewell event, I take an opportunity. I thank our teachers for all the lessons they have taught us. Your kindness and caring nature is the reason that we all today are ready to face challenges with smile and courage. We all assume you that you will strive hard to be a successful and responsible citizen of the nation. I'm also thankful to my parents who joined me in such a wonderful school where I get such talented teachers and amazing friends. I would like to thank all my friends with whom I have shared my feelings, sweet moments. I thank you friends for all the fun and laughter. It is so difficult to say a final goodbye. So all of you, I shall always cherish the moment in school. I request everyone to pardon me in case of I hurt during my school days. I wish a bright and prosperous future to everyone present here. I end this speech. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alex. And let's give a big hand. So, now may I call Sir Binoy, the class teacher of class 10, to have a short speech.
Goodbye to your teacher and all the memories which you have created during this period of time. The class has been the most important part of your school life, as it started from this only, whether it was your friendship, mistake, fun, and many more. During the class, not only students but teachers also created so many memories with all the students. Today, we all have gathered here to bid farewell to all the students passing out from the school. We all really wish the students a very happy and bright future ahead. We all really hope that all you get success in your life, career and your future. From today onward, you will be leading to your new life. As a teenager, you will take your first step toward your new life, and one day you will finally reach your goal and will become successful in your dream career. At the end, I just want to say there are so many opportunities waiting for you ahead. So just fulfill your dream and do what makes you feel good. Enjoy every moment of your life. Never lose hope and always try for something better and be the better version of you. Hope to see you all soon with your success story. Thank you all and all the very best. And one more thing I want to add. Don't stop learning. As long we live, so long we learn, and knowledge is never lost. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech.
Brother tung, father tung, igo thajing bo saga Montfort School, athoba Mandai School, Mandai Don Bosco, abo haike missionaries kabangma, je institution tongani, target tama bongni. Obviously, education develop hayani 60% ni bisingo. Ebong pini sate Nizi botoli thangani financial factor ni basau. Kaisa English medium school of porina bagai rang puja dota expand khanya nangmani sadaron gorib borok rok sini borok rok abono effort khaibeya ribeya the maximum borok no ung thangnai 20 hoite 30 bochor ni bisingo jara English medium school of Porika, Otoba educated in Ka, Prino job achievement Kaika, the Paksa City Borok Kaimea Botomo, Kewa Bangla medium background in Ka, competitive exam of Tangano, failure. Okulo Karon Gangai, Abno Karon Mipasaka, J international language Gangai, English medium. Among international language English phano gi tongdi or kaisa right to education act to koknang thanabu jongo sini message sar tongo bodo hamgan thaibaro right to education act section 19 nda RTE 2009 o kok sajak tongo primary level yakoba class 5 joratei joto students tongnai no especially Bongi mother tangbanyo pernani nangnai, abang apa yang pernya ke borok maya, bagusia. Abang bagai mother tangno neng priority ready. Jadi wo boy English medium untung, Hindi medium untung, Bangla medium untung, abo factor ya. Abang wo jagawo, kabang ma mahal guardian semua mendukha, sudah nong barrier school ungia nabo. Ba onna nova institution kauma tongo sini borok bai chalok jak English medium schools tongmani guardians onge demand tawo guardians ok sawo English mana nangai ba one of the pori tong two of pori tong five of the pori tong. This is not a matter. I want my children, my child should be able to speak English. Ok ang prai no guardian si kogo kanao Prai garden sono sawo, mane boklas bono da politong, phabe da politong, aboya, ani cerai ba English medium pori bole variety school suppose, butang English mesa. Example ta, over right to education act so cox hai tongoje, cerai rok ga borok bongi mother tongue no sernai, na English no sernai. Ebong je kuno kok no bujinan bagai nije mother tongue no prothom use ma khaigala nai. Hingga orang jaga kokno sanani nang manita, tamo seng kaisa job achieve hanya sebagai international language English is must. For the professional life, this is. For the professional life, mana lang mawa nang kuno kaisa samung mana di bagai. Sara prithvi bai khap khawai thangna di bagai kai. O English the language ni mani. Abong kai nangku gono. Abong ka ni professional life di bagai simisi. Hai mano seng tabu sini student sama seng develop hai me angi tong mane belum karon kangkai. Obo kaisa karon ngi batao. Sini student sama jara sini tibrasa ya kan deporma kok sanai keuba mok basapon saka keuba rangkol basapon saka. Seng protita students no bini kok bai zai ke prenggui maya eng mani bagai bo kaisa karon ngi batao. Bo develop ngi maya mani. Tabo kelas 1 ni sini kelas 10 jorok pun engkau. Oh jaga oh sentau nak mana? Seng kaham ke pujian nak mana konsep no. Protita chapter, kaisa subject, kaisa syllabus yang angge. Protita chapter tamu konsep rejak tong, tamu sadak tong. Oh kok no. Sini kok bay jai ke bujuk jaga je parisak English medium jodi ngi kakai English bay jara manai no try khayo sana ni bagai hai pano sengabo bisingo habi thangmaya realize khaibaya o concept tam no hun bharona tabo aboni abono seng kahan ke cer sugoi sisugoi saiman sugoi sini bukhawa habri maya tai breno stur khainar maya pokulo karon tamo seng bono kaham ke buduk maya mani bagai oro sengno phrengnai bo jodino missionary ni tonganga english baino chesta khaya jara bangla medium pori rinai ba bangla pori nai ro jo bo jodino bangla ni teacher ni tonganga Bangla punya bujuk tongkang, kamu di sini mati bahasa ya, mana tanya. Sebut dia mana dia abono. Jadi konsep sakhaji, semua konsep do kaham ke clear nya mani bagai. Jekuno konsep cerai dong seng kaham ke bujuk rima yang man bagai. Pokoknya kawo wari rima yang mani bagai. Sini student stock in future orang bagai. Percinta tak kau no. Apa hai backward ni tanggung. Ejit khai bayang no, kun sabung no. Apa ni bagai? Tabo kok no, sama ni. Ya, ni achievement tamo. Kok tak? Achievement tamo. Tini Berian School le charger founder. Berian School no samsai ni ka. Boh hai borok kauma tangule mandayo. बताओ खाया. Sudah not only this educational institution. Oh educational institution sih serama bayi yale. Tadi salangga, sen taku orang sahaja ni business ni, kau same semua business tu kaya orang. Business institution serama nai, management pom dike business ni katre, rang pucana sen pom dike income kaiman. Engkau mah jara business sinai dong nai, kaham ke expert, enggak skill person aku gue kaya orang. Engkau boleh bagai angkasa. Sini Berian School ni, institute ni, je management committee ni akan teacher tong nai agi di sini, jara samung khai tong nai. Abor ngowo kasa message sunabu songo, khat hinya dia. Tanginga kasa kahi di sanai, abang boleh to, tabung ekdom burning issue toli tong nai yo. Abor ni bagi was samung tang tonggo, especially sini je target company ngagai, English medium jara puri tong nai students. Board ni exam rena ni bagai kelas 12 tung 10 tung borok no rumah di skribai serina ni bagai seng already 50% ni saya upor no seng officially bagai samung tangjak ebong khayo abong ngui thanai khainai 2024 sini board ni jara madhyamik renai and class 12 porikha renai rumah di skribai no srimana ne toboke 100% seng riya ko taisa sini tai kisa processing ni bebar tonggo awu sing samung tang tonggo and obo sibiya sini target dok tonggo sini target tabo phainai 2024 sono 2024 sono iko tabo to 2024 songkha obo sorono sini kaisa target nahajak khumulungo kaisa B.Ed college khuluk jaknai sing Tripura private school forum ni hoite no kaisa step nahajak B.Ed college khalainani bagai hangaya jaga joto sini Tripura sa abo hai kabangma students tongo pai ro thangai ma pori nai rok borok no sing je bansak joto sing faculty bas sini seat tongo abo no sare sing no pori nai chesta khainai and then not only these things finai 2025 abo ka Tripura private school forum ni ni ya ang agi bo target na jaga bo 2025 ni pisingo ang kaisa khud no general college established khainai jirane lawan khajak nai abo tau ka apuni bangai bo target na hanjak processing choli dongo engkai kok to kabangma sanai dongo ai bono joto students no specially tini ni je foundation day programo tai farewell day especially board ni candidates tapno kaisa kecharmong obono tongnai joto students no ni kaisa target tongnang nai jara class 10 no tongnai tabo madhyamik rena hani tongnai ro class 10 ni board ni exam rena hani tongnai ro